Thank you for purchasing Core-Flo DC. An 8-gram syringe of Core-Flo DC is heading your way to help you stack your way up to an amazing core buildup. How do you perform a core buildup with Core-Flo DC? Prep, isolate, and apply an adhesive according to the manufacturer's instructions. Dispense a small amount of the material onto a mixing pad to eliminate voids and place the dispensing tip on the syringe. Dispense Core-Flo DC and build up the core to the desired height and shape. Light cure for 40 seconds. We know you're a pro, but here's a helpful tip for using Core-Flo DC. Keep in mind that Core-Flo DC is a stackable core buildup material that will require the use of a dual syringe dispenser. Don't forget to read the instructions for all the insider info on how to best use Core-Flo DC. Call us at 1-800-247-3368 for any questions.